Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to my channel, do subscribe and click on that bell icon. So let's start with a video which is DIY coffee home facial. Before starting with the facial, let's talk about some benefits of coffee. So number one point is that it is good for all skin types. You don't have to worry about whether you have dry skin, oily skin, acne prone skin. So it is good for all skin types. Number two benefit is it is full of antioxidant, which repairs your damaged skin and sucks out all the pollution from your skin. Number three is that it stimulates the blood flow from your skin and makes your skin looks more fine, more firm, and it uplifts your skin. Number four is that it balances out your pH level of your skin so that there is no discoloration in your skin. So it helps out in that. And the last but not the least is fifth point, that is it is a very good exfoliator which helps out to take out all the dead skin from your skin so that your skin can glow more. So there are three steps of facial. Number one is cleansing, number two is scrubbing and exfoliation, and number three is face pack. So these are the three steps which you have to follow to get a glow on your face. But before starting with the facial, I'm going to give you one tip about ice packs. So for that, you need some coffee powder, some rose water, little bit of water, and aloe vera gel. You can mix it together to make a nice watery mixture, and after that you can take two cotton pads and dip into that liquid solution, and this you have to keep it in the refrigerator till the time we are doing our facial. Let's start with our number one point, that is cleansing. Cleansing is very important for your skin to take out all the dirt from your skin. If you have any makeup on your face, it is very important to take out all that dirt, all that makeup out so that your face and your skin can breathe. I'm going to take coconut oil and I'm going to apply on my entire face and cleanse it out. Now I'm going to take a cotton pad. I'm going to remove all the dirt from my face, all the excess oil I'm having on my face. We often feel that after applying oil or after applying makeup remover, all our excess makeup is already over, but that's not true. We are going to do the double cleansing method, that we are going to apply face wash, and I'm going to quickly go and wash my face and come back. So guys, I've already washed my face well and it's little damp right now, and on your damp skin itself you have to start exfoliating your skin. You don't have to make it so dry, so that once you're applying the scrub or the exfoliator, your skin doesn't get damaged. So you have to apply the scrub only on your damp skin. To make the scrub, we have to take some sugar, some coffee powder, and some tomato juice. Here I have taken one tomato juice and I have grated it and taken out this juice. And then I'm adding some honey and mix all these ingredients together. Benefits of scrubbing is that it removes all the dead cells from your skin and allows the new cells to replace the old ones. So you have to gently rub the scrub all over your face. Don't scrub it very harsh, otherwise you're going to get rashes. Now you can wash your face. Just do it 2 to 3 minutes and you're good to go. Now I'm going to wash my face. I have washed my face now and I'm going to pat dry my face. Don't rub it too harsh, just pat dry it. I'm going to add one more step, that is facial steam. So I have this steamer with me and I'm going to go for 15 to 20 seconds and I'm going to steam my face. Our next step is to do face pack. So you can apply face pack with your fingers or with a brush. Here I'm going to use a brush to apply the face pack. Face pack is very important. It tightens up your pores of your skin, works on your blemishes, fine lines, wrinkles, and maintain the pH balance of your skin. So let's get to it.
So to make our face pack, I'm going to take coffee, which is a main ingredient. Then I'm going to put some besan. Instead of besan, you can also use rice flour. Then I'm going to add some sandalwood powder. This is also optional. If you have multani mitti, you can add that too. And I'm going to take some thick curd. And to add the fragrance and some refreshing element, I'm going to use some rose water. Mix it well so that there should not be any lumps in the mixture. Once the paste is all smooth, and you can see that this should be the thickness of your face pack, it is all ready to apply on our face.
I have applied the face pack all over my face and my neck, and I have these eye pads which I made it at the starting of the video, and I have kept it in the refrigerator to cool it down. Now I'm going to keep it on my eyes to relax till the time I'm having this face pack on my face. I'm going to keep it on my eyes and I'm going to relax for 15 to 20 minutes. Okay guys, so it's been 15 to 20 minutes and it's already slightly dried out, and now again I'm going to wash my face. See you. Okay, so I have cleaned my face. It's nice and clean. I can clearly see changes in my face. I don't know whether my camera can catch that or no, but I can visibly see the changes in my face after doing this. So after this, I'm going to apply rose water on my face to tone my skin. Nice and fresh. And I'm going to apply a good moisturizer on my face. I'm going to pat dry it, let it dry for some time, and my damp skin. And on my damp skin, I'm going to apply a moisturizer. So this is how I do my coffee facial at home. It is very simple and very effective, because in today's time, we don't get time to do facials and go to the parlors. So this is how I do my facial, and I hope you liked my video. If you have not subscribed my channel, do subscribe it now and press that bell icon. Thank you so much for watching.